Hey y'all, it's Joseph973, and we've got even more points this time. We've got 98 points in 1 minute. Check this out. Now, this robot does not have the best claw for grabbing from the match loader or for skills. What this claw really excels at is grabbing from your intake and be able to feed in from your intake into your claw and then lift that up and stack it on there. However, that's not the most efficient way to score points in skills. Would I recommend you try this claw? Yeah, go for it. Is it the best claw that you can build? Absolutely not. Probably a side grabber is much better for the match loader, or if you can get the match loading through the intake, that can be really solid as well. If you're thinking this might be something that you might be interested in building, I've got some pictures in the link below this video. Go ahead and click that, and I will send you all the details on that. Something really cool about this robot is how I control the double reverse 4-bar. But how do you get the right height? There's like a million different heights you might want depending on which goal it is or how tall the stack is. Basically, I tried a whole bunch of different methods. The best way I found to do is not to use presets, but actually to use manual control. I just have manual up, manual down control on 2 buttons, and I can manually put it up and down until it's about close enough. Then I have this one button, and I just push it, and it will automatically place the whole thing down and let go of it. And that I found makes for really consistent stacking. Go ahead and click that link below for those details and pictures on this robot. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing what you build this season.